Let's talk weather. Lonnie's here, getting ready for some changes, right?
Yeah, it's going to change. I wouldn't count on that big change taking place tomorrow. Now, tomorrow's not going to be as beautiful a day as it was today, but you're also not going to tap in to some real cold air that is trying to come to the area. But it's going to get here, guys, unfortunately. So here's what I see right now. Right now, you're looking out over the city, and there are a few clouds overhead. It's 66 degrees as we speak, and yeah, more clouds right now above than we had throughout the day. Of course, the day was so pretty out there. Within the clouds, there is some rain, but not a lot of rain. So I think you'd be okay with taking the umbrella tomorrow. It's just not going to get a big workout, but have it with you. And then as far as those temps dropping, they're going to drop, just not yet. Tomorrow you'll have another day where you max out and around the mid-60s. And right now we're in the mid-60s in New York City, 66 for the city and in Belmar. Those are the hot spots out there, and it's pretty mild throughout the area. But the coolest reading I can find, Edison, you're coming in right now, 52 degrees. Let's get right to the sky cover overhead, because again, we can see there are, put into motion, more clouds floating in, right? Big deal, not a big problem. The bigger picture will show you there's some rain. You can see it right here, all associated with a cold front. That's going to give you your chance at rain tomorrow. Not a lot of rain. Right now, the numbers are suggesting about 1/10 of an inch for some folks, and not everybody gets that. But then the story becomes this cold air that starts to filter in by Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day getting colder out there. So let's start making sense of that rain first. Here's how I see it on the computer model, coming through and losing a lot of its energy. A lot of those bright oranges and reds sort of fade away. This is Wednesday. Tomorrow in the afternoon, like around 5:30. Yeah, you could see a shower. Doesn't look to be a lot of rain. Then it sort of clears out for Thursday, and Thursday you have temperatures that max out in the upper 50s, so maybe around 60. But then we're talking about a combination of cold air from the north combining with some moisture in our area, with the possibility for precipitation on Saturday. Now, Saturday is going to be a cold, raw day out there. Chilly, windy, periods of wet weather, but the possibility for some wet snow north and west, it is possible, because we are talking about low temperatures being in the 30s. So early Saturday and then late Saturday is when you see that chance for some wet snowflakes. So for tomorrow, more clouds overhead than we had today. There's a shower chance at 66. That's the day that you transition, because then you get to Thursday, the sun shines out, but now you're below average at 58. You will be 57 on Friday, your Halloween. I think the kids are trick-or-treating anywhere from about, 54 degrees they start, 50 degrees they finish, and then Saturday, 49 degrees. You go to bed Saturday night, got to remember to fall back with the clocks, and then Sunday you're 48 degrees, and Saturday's the day you watch where you could be seeing some snow flurries, some wet snowflakes out there. And we also want to talk about this. My colleague Elise Finch in the weather office, recognized as an outstanding woman in media today. This is all part of like the STEM project for women who really support science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and Elise certainly excels there. So it was a great day. We were out there early this morning. Our news director David Friend was there, also Cindy Hsu, myself, and her family.
Fantastic. She deserved it. Her parents were beaming.
Oh, and her dad's a great guy.
Ray Finch.